Take a look at these pineapple chunks. They've been sitting in my fridge way past their expiration date, and now they're completely spoiled, covered in these mysterious white spots. To find out more, I scraped up a sample with an inoculating loop, placed it on a slide, and diluted it with a drop of the pineapple juice to get a better look under the microscope. At first, I thought it was just mold, but when I looked closer, I realized that these are yeast colonies, turning my pineapple into their own little fermentation party. Yeast might seem like a simple microbe, but it's been fermenting fruit in nature for over 100 million years, just like it's doing on this pineapple right now. People noticed thousands of years ago that keeping fruits and grains in sealed containers led to some of our favorite foods and drinks like bread and beer. Yeast makes these by eating sugars and turning them into alcohol and carbon dioxide gas, the same alcohol that gives beer or wine its kick and the gas that makes bread rise. Here's the crazy part. Yeast can get drunk on its own alcohol. The alcohol it makes can build up and start to poison the yeast, slowing it down or even stopping it completely. On my pineapple, the yeast is making very little alcohol, but if I sealed the juice in a jar for a while, it might start partying a little too hard to handle. Speaking of the pineapple yeast, let's take a closer look at some of these cells. I saw two types of yeast cells. Some were round or oval, and others were stretched out into chains called pseudohyphae. Pseudohyphae are the result of different environmental triggers like high sugar levels, low oxygen, or even alcohol stress. The elongated shape and chain-like structure can help the yeast spread through the fruit juice and tissue, accessing more sugars and nutrients. I also noticed some cells had these holes inside them. These are vacuoles, which are basically storage pockets for things the cell needs, like water, food, or waste, to keep the cell healthy. Interestingly, I didn't see any bacteria, just yeast and pineapple pieces. This is likely due to the pineapple's extreme sugary and acidic contents, which yeast loves, but most bacteria don't. Plus, the yeast makes alcohol, which acts like a poison to most bacteria, so the yeast gets to rule the party for now. What spoiled food should I look at next? Let me know down in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science content.